Today we're going to be opening an iMac for our enjoyment and your knowledge. Check this out. Standard monopod mount, right?
Mm-hmm.
And go ahead and fix that there. And, oh, there it comes. Pretty much held in by just magnets. Go. Some weird clip down there. Get some torques. Here. Some memory down there. I think we have to pull these torques on the sides. All the way around. And grab the appropriate screwdriver for that. T15s maybe? Find out. T10. I think at this point, nope. Convincing here. Have a cable up here. I'm guessing that's for backlight. And then we got these two cables here. Disconnect that one. That pulls up with a locking hasp. Then we have the actual power going to the display here. Power cord has a little locking mechanism on it. This whole bad boy lifts out of here. Definitely an impressive screen. All right. And what we're after is this prize right here. T5. There we go. that's that.
All right, yeah, we're going to recycle this, so our job is done.
Yeah. Thanks for watching, everybody.